From the 16th of February, it is possible to visit the Olivetti Beyond the Typewriter exhibition in Tel Aviv, in which the story of Olivetti's excellence also passes through a selection of photographs that I took and that testify to this unique experience. Among the works present, you will also find a photograph of a staircase, which is located at the rear of the ICO workshop facade. I want to tell you about this photo because it fully represents that uniqueness that is encountered visiting Olivetti's architectures, making the detail an icon to keep in memory as a synthesis of a particularly evolved and refined thought. This grammatical synthesis of the architectural gesture summarizes all the characteristics that one looks for when looking at the building. The synthesis of function, the elegance of design, the strength of simplicity, the lightness of the perfect balance between full and void. The amazement generated when I found myself in front of this marvelous staircase is comparable to the amazement one can feel in front an always seen and always satisfied work of art, which suddenly reveals itself to you in its expressive power. Come and discover the exhibition to understand the uniqueness of an experience that generated an important piece of modern architectural heritage through the syncretism of the most diverse needs and visions addressed with the key of beauty.